Hello. Welcome to Curioverse, the channel where curiosity meets the universe. In this video, we will explore the origin of the names of the planets and why they were named that way. Have you ever wondered who decided to call them Mercury, Venus, Earth, and so on, and what these names mean? Let's find out together. The names of the planets come from different sources, but most of them have one thing in common: they are based on Greek and Roman mythology. The ancient Greeks and Romans observed the sky and noticed that some bright objects moved differently from the stars. They called them wandering stars, or planets, which means wanderers in Greek. They also associated them with their gods and goddesses, who had different roles and personalities. The first planet we will look at is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is the god of commerce, travel, and thievery in Roman mythology. He is also the messenger of the gods, who wears a winged helmet and sandals. The planet probably received this name because it moves very fast across the sky, like the swift god. The second planet is Venus, the brightest planet in the sky. Venus is the goddess of love and beauty in Roman mythology. She is also the mother of Cupid, the god of desire. The planet is aptly named since it makes a beautiful sight in the sky, especially when it appears near the moon or the horizon. The ancient Greeks called it Aphrodite, after their equivalent goddess. The third planet is Earth, our home planet. Earth is the only planet whose English name does not derive from Greek or Roman mythology. The name comes from Old English and Germanic languages, and it simply means the ground. Other languages have different names for Earth, some of which are also related to mythology. For example, in Latin, Earth is called Terra, which is also the name of the goddess of Earth in Roman mythology. The fourth planet is Mars, the red planet. Mars is the god of war in Roman mythology. He is also the father of Romulus and Remus, the legendary founders of Rome. The planet was named after him because of its red color, which resembles blood and fire. The ancient Greeks called it Ares, after their equivalent god. The fifth planet is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is the king of the gods in Roman mythology, who rules over the sky and thunder. He is also the protector of justice and law. The planet was named after him because of its size and brightness, which reflect his majesty and power. The ancient Greeks called it Zeus, after their equivalent god. The sixth planet is Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system. Saturn is the god of agriculture and time in Roman mythology. He is also the father of Jupiter and other gods. The planet was named after him because it was the farthest known planet to the ancients, and thus represented his old age and wisdom. The ancient Greeks called it Cronus, after their equivalent god. The seventh planet is Uranus, the third largest planet in our solar system. Uranus is the ancient Greek deity of the heavens, who was also the earliest supreme god. He was overthrown by his son Cronus, Saturn, who castrated him and threw his genitals into the sea. The planet was not named until 1781, when it was discovered by William Herschel with a telescope. He initially wanted to name it Georgium Sidus, George's star, after King George III of England, but this name was not accepted by other astronomers. Eventually, the name Uranus was proposed by Johann Bode, following the tradition of naming planets after Greek and Roman gods. The eighth planet is Neptune, the fourth largest planet in our solar system. Neptune is the god of the sea in Roman mythology. He is also the brother of Jupiter and Pluto. The planet was named after him because of its blue color, which resembles water. The planet was not discovered until 1846, when it was predicted by mathematical calculations based on irregularities in Uranus's orbit. It was first observed by Johann Galle with a telescope. The name Neptune was suggested by several astronomers, including Leverrier, who had calculated its position. The ninth planet is Pluto, which is now classified as a dwarf planet, but was considered a full-fledged planet until 2006. Pluto is the god of the underworld in Roman mythology. He is also the brother of Jupiter and Neptune. The planet was named after him because it is in a dark and cold region of the solar system, far from the sun. The planet was discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh, after a long search for a ninth planet beyond Neptune. The name Pluto was suggested by Venetia Burney, an 11-year-old girl from England, who was interested in mythology. These are the names of the planets in our solar system, but there are many other planets outside our solar system, called exoplanets, that have been discovered in recent years. Some of these planets have official names given by the International Astronomical Union, the organization that governs the naming of celestial objects. Others have unofficial names given by their discoverers or the public. Some examples of exoplanet names are 51 Pegasi b, the first exoplanet detected around a Sun-like star; Kepler 22b, a possible Earth-like planet in the habitable zone of its star; and Dimidium, a giant planet that orbits very close to its star. The names of the planets reflect our human curiosity and imagination, as we try to make sense of the wonders of the universe. They also connect us to our cultural and historical heritage, as we honor the gods and goddesses of our ancestors. They are part of our language and our identity. If you liked this video, leave your like and subscribe to Curioverse channel, where curiosity meets the universe. See you next time.